Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Jesse from handywerx.com, the fastest growing handyman service in the US. In today's video, we're going to talk about paint tools. What are the pros using? How do we take care of them? So on and so forth. And be sure to stay tuned for the cheat codes at the end. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, first on the list, we got a 3-inch paintbrush. This is a straight edge brush, not a tapered brush. I like to use these personally because they hold a lot more paint. I feel like you can get a lot straighter cut in line with the straight edge as opposed to the tapered edge. This is about a $30 brush that I got from Sherwin-Williams. So you want to make sure you take good care of it. Now, I've seen some other videos where they're not very descriptive and they don't give you a very good insight as far as long-term care. And so, always use cold water. When you buy a brush like this, A, it's expensive, but B, it has oils in the bristle that are from the manufacturer. And so to clean this, you want to make sure that you have a really good wire brush on hand. This one's got a little bit of fraying going on, but it's still in pretty good shape. And so while you have your wire brush, you're going to want to run your wire brush directly through the bristles to try to get off any of this excess paint that is dried on your bristles during doing your paint job. And as you can see, as I run my wire brush through this paintbrush, a lot of this paint that's dried on these bristles is really coming off pretty good. Now if you scrub at this for a long time, you could probably get it 100% clean. We're probably not going to go that far in this video, but just to give you an idea on what to use and how to do it, that's the point of this here. I'm just going to scrub this up a little bit more, and then we'll move on to the roller cover. So that's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. Next, we're going to go through the roller cover. So here you can see this is full of paint still, so we're going to clean this out. What I'm using is a sheepskin 3/4 inch nap, and on your roller cover it's okay to use warm water, just don't do that on your brush. Alright, now when you're cleaning this out, the general rule of thumb is to keep rinsing it until your water down here is clear. And as you can see, we still have a lot of paint in here. And being that this is a 3/4 inch nap, it really holds a lot of paint. And I also want to add the reason why I use a 3/4 nap as opposed to a 1/2 inch or a 3/8, or you know, maybe some of you use a 1/4 inch. I don't really know. But a 3/4 inch nap is going to hide a lot of imperfections in the wall, and typically you'll be painting a wall that's already got layers and layers of paint, so you want to be able to match the stipple that's already on the wall. And if you're painting over, say, a newly patched piece of sheetrock, that's going to be a lot smoother before paint than the rest of the walls in most applications. And this 3/4 inch nap is going to give you that same texture in order to blend it better and hide it. I'm going to show you what this hook is about on this 5-in-1 tool. And the reason why this 5-in-1 is mostly sold in paint departments is it's for cleaning out roller covers, just like this. All the videos I've seen on YouTube about this, they might as well call it a 4-in-1, because I haven't seen anybody talking about this in their video and what its use is for. Cleaning out your roller cover, just like so. And as you can see, This fits the contour perfectly, which is why this is sold in the paint department. Now this is probably the most versatile tool you can buy. You can scrape, you can poke, you can pull nails, clean your brush, and this is metal so that you can hammer. Let's say you have an old nail in the wall that you need to get in. Just like that. All right, now as you can see in the bottom here, our water's getting pretty clear. And we're just about done cleaning this out. And that's it. For any of you homeowners out there, if you live in the United States and you're having a hard time finding an honest, reliable, prompt, and efficient handyman, be sure to download the Handiwerx app. It's available for both Android and Apple devices, and it's a free download. And so for any of you other handymen out there who are checking out this video, if you want to use our software to grow and build your business, be sure to check out teamhandiwerx.com. Until 2021, you can use our software for only 1% per transaction. There's no hidden fees, there's no hidden costs. You can cancel at any time. And the best part is you can use our software directly with your own customers, or at your own choice, you can submit a background check for 25 bucks and you can open up your network and you can reach all the customers in your area who are using our platform. All right, y'all. This is Jesse from handiwerx.com. Once again, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. If you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button. If you got any tips or tricks of your own that you're willing to share, leave them in the comment below. Once again, signing out.